Hi, let's learn how to manage devices by the app. Open the main menu. Touch on Devices. On Devices screen, we can see all devices learned by the gateway. Now, touch on the Options icon beside the device. Here we can name the device, select the room, and change the icon. Name the device with a friendly name. Select the room where the device is installed. Change the icon if needed. Touch on Check icon on upper right. Click here to come back to the main screen. When finished, go to the room and test the device.